Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a website using Canva. Here you can go and type canva.com. Here you can type website. You can also select this one, website, and then click here, scroll down. You will get different templates related to the website. Let me scroll down and select one of the template from here. This one. Okay, this is looking very professional. Then click on customize this template. Now the next step is you need to go here and change the text. And here if you want to add your own logo, then you can select this one, press the delete button. Now you can go here and upload logo file. For example, let me select a logo from here, this one, drag it on the top. Then you can easily resize it. This one. If you want to change the text, then simply you can select and type your own text. And then you can select the text size. And here you can see this one is the button. You can change the text. Then here you can replace your own images. You can select any of the image from here. You can upload your images from your laptop. And here you can also change the text, and then images and text. And if you don't need any of the page from here, simply you can go and from here you can easily delete any of the page. If you want to duplicate any of the section, then simply you can select and then press duplicate. Okay, now we can delete this one, additional section. You can also move any of the section to the top and bottom. Here you can hide the section and unhide. You can also add a new section from here. Let me delete it. Then click on publish website. You can also preview it before publishing. This is how it looks on desktop devices. You can also switch to the different devices. So this one is the mobile view. After that, close it, then publish the website. So this one is the site address. You can also check the settings. Search engine visibility you can enable if you are creating a professional website. Then go back to the settings and click on this URL. Here you can change the URL. Then click on publish button. Now let's visit the website. Here you can see website is published. You can go back to the Canva and change your own text. Simply you can go here. Here you can change the footer text and anything. So simply you need to go and click on edit design. Here you can go and type, for example, let me add some text here, and then you can also select any of the text area, then add your own text.